Having looked at the three types of turning points, we want to see how they can help us to sketch a curve. So let us look at curve sketching. Now, the nature of turning point helps in curve sketching. Curve sketching involves identifying the turning point and its nature, in addition to other important features of the curve, which may include the point it passes through on the x-axis. Let us use the curve y is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 9 as an example. So the first important point we need for this curve is its turning point. And we know that at turning point, dy over dx is equal to 0. So we need to get the gradient function of the curve. Dy over dx will be 2x plus 6. And this should be equal to 0 at turning point. So 2x is equal to minus 6, and therefore x is negative 3. So we have the x value as negative 3. And therefore we can get the y value. Y will therefore be equal to minus 3 squared plus or minus 18 plus 9. And this is equal to 0. So the turning point of the curve is the point minus 3, 0. So that is one important point about the curve. Next, the curve. We need to find out the points the curve cuts the x-axis. And we know that at the point the curve cuts the x-axis, the curve cuts x-axis, the equation x squared plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. That means y is equal to 0 at the x-axis. Solving the quadratic equation, we get x squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. X into x plus 3 plus 3 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. So it is a repeated root, meaning x plus 3 into x plus 3, so that x is equal to negative 3 . We can also find out the behavior of the turning point. by taking 2 points, one to the left and one to the right of the turning point. So we need 3 points. When x is -3, take a point to the left and a point to the right, -4. We substitute these points to the gradient function. At x is equal to -3, it will be 0. At x is equal to -2, our gradient function will be positive. And at x is equal to -4, our gradient function will be negative. So therefore, the turning point of our curve is a minimum. We can therefore sketch our curve as follows. The curve turns at -3, 0. -3, 0, and the turning point is a minimum. So our sketch, our curve will look like this. The turning point is -3, 0, and according to the nature of the turning point, it is a minimum. So it means our curve curves upwards.